Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, we all hoped that it would never happen, but alas, the inevitable has come to pass. So Nigeria's two foremost drama queen have at last met. So with that guys, I bring you this. How I Love King T. Regina Daniel gushes after meeting Tonto Dikeh at an event. So that's the headline. How I Love King T. Regina Daniel gushes after meeting Tonto Dikeh at an event. So now the picture is pretty much the narrative, but there is a bit of a caption, so I'll just read you what the narrative is in this storyline. Regina Daniels and Tonto Dikeh met at an event. Both women were excited about this meeting, and it was evident in the photos shared online. The actresses hugged each other and exchanged pleasantries. Regina later took to Instagram to share photos, and she gushes about Tonto Dikeh, writing, "Oh, how I love King T" at Tonto Tontolet. I think that's what she calls her gang, Tonto Dikeh, etc. So this is really, like as I said, the picture really is the narrative of this particular video. So as you can see from these pictures, Tonto Dikeh and Regina Daniels have at last met. I'm sure they've met previously, but at least this is a public outing now for their followers to sort of see how they met and what transpired. And that Regina Daniels, of course, has added a narrative 2 days on her social media platform. So now these two elements, Tonto Dikeh, who has gone on the Nigerian social space to describe her husband, or her ex-husband, should I put it in the right context, and the father of her child as a 10-second man, and Regina Daniels, the darling of the old age pensioners in Nigeria, have at last met. There's nobody in this equation that is shy of publicity. These are publicity junkies. These are people that need the attention of the public and to put their life in the social space so that they can continue to have the attention of Nigerians. What that quite means in terms of their personal psychology, I wouldn't know, because I'm not a psychologist, so that's left to experts to reflect on that. But as I said, these two elements, the mamas of the Nigerian scene, the two icons, the screeching siren that is Tonto Dikeh, and the the what is it called? What's that? Is it Loletta or something? What's that French thing? The yes, I think it's Loletta, the Loletta of the Nigerian scene. Regina Daniels have at last met, and God knows what sort of intrigues will emerge from this budding relationship. So speculations on this budding relationship is what I am inviting. What do you make of these two elements? The distinctly unlikable Tonto Dikeh and the daddy's girl in more ways than one, Regina Daniels, who is so much of a daddy's girl that she has ended up with an OAP. So that's pretty much the narrative that this picture is telling us. Really, I mean, it's just laughable, really. I'm laughing, but I'm laughing with a tinge of sadness at this whole carry on and palaver. Conversations, as I said, I'm inviting. What are your thoughts? Come share your thoughts with me in the comment section. But before you come share those thoughts with me in the comment section, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come let me know what you are making of all this carry on in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, carry on with you in the comment section. But here I say peace.